Sangimela sanibonani isho boy phile mathi phela noNesikhelvin intwana semkonti khona eKenza bathi umKenza kashaya uyathethisa ngiphethe ama-2 amasekasi bafethu ngicela ngizintroduce khamba nje
Mnandi khonibani wala bafethu uzolile la intwana yaseKenza
ayiphethe right back ngayiyabo ngayingakho sithi left back relax wale la sithi ngayi left back sikhomba la
Shosho bafethu mnandi khotman mina nguScotch Mangicabanga uScotch ya.
Thina besithi uScott Maphuma. Ayizwa lento. So bafethu anisitsheleni bafethu, anisitsheleni ukuthi how did the brand come about? Like what inspired the brand?
Ukuthi iphume mfethu. Right. Isitori sibha khotman yabo.
Na ngifuna nje ngishaya ngeTasha Mnyana then sithi
yathi sivile isikhathi yabo.
Yeah.
This the brand iqhamuke simple nje. Lesithi uyaqomini namaqala siphuza. Awusabi navela ifika nje ya time mfana. Mele sishayele something ethu nje ibrand yabo. Kanti awuthambe ngacaba ukuthi vele bese scriptile yonke into ibhalile ishayene lo yabo.
Sharp.
Kanti uzoyishiya mina bengicabana nomuntu okwazi ocreative yabo. Wangibonisa ukuthi ani ngayisha kanje na kanje. Mangimbonisa umaqala kusasa wayibona sharp yabo.
Curious angithola. Curious makayi asibambe kancane. Ukubuza yona kahle kahle. Bafethu ngibonile ukuthi isikhathi besidlala nonto emalangeni besidlala. Since awuthama idlala enkabini eswini.
Sure.
Enjami lapha emuva. Uyangithola. Kahle kahle bafethu nibone kanjani le game le?
Hayi mina for mina ne. For the first 10 minutes angayigaga kwiSouth Africa ne. First 10 minutes first half. And then from there I feel like amajite siswini ayaswima mfana. Badlalisa umkwena kakhulu mfana ngathi bathimeze umkwena khona. Angali sharp bushika la unamasemba ne. Bad mfana. Like sidinga ama player creative mfethu. Sodlala nama country acava ibhola tsothi.
So akif sodlala ngalesa. Le squad lesa.
So ngicabanga ukuthi uSiphombuli
yafuneka. Yafuneka.
Washo kanjani?
Ngale nje icaba ibhola khotman.
La fede yini icaba ibhola but now angithi manje sibheka in the intensity of the game ukuthi will it stand the intensity of the game.
Yeah, I believe so.
You believe so?
Yeah. Aggressive.
Noma ngekho Siphombule kuyafana mfana Siphombule I feel like Siphombule no bani umshishi badlala ibhola elifanayo.
Yeah. We need both of them umshishi kakhulu.
And then uRede asale nobani?
Intwana uRede
ubona something uRede baba.
Kancane.
Nokusala uMaster Chef uRede. Hayi baba. Asibangarasa baba. Ngeke.
Mina la game la bafethu like angithi phela sipreparela iWorld Cup.
Yeah.
Mina if bongumuntu ongacaba ibhola ngicela ukubukela la game leya bengizosho ukuthi amajita awakabe ready.
Awekho ready.
Leshintsho leso squad.
Nomuntu olibukela uyabona ukuthi awekho ready. Ukuthi yaqala asikho ready mfana. Asikho ready mfana. Like asikho ready. Okay like asike sikhulume nge-first game yethu. Lesoyidlala le World Cup Mexico.
Ayohlala Mexico.
Anyala.
And
yeah phela yazini bayasifuna la ne but ukhumbule mfethu. Siya Avenger phela. You understand?
Yazi why mina ngithi ibheka le game leli. Le game leli sebalenze like big lingakadlali. Like konke amehlo sowa kule game leli ngithola. And lama friends la wayithu sha bazo complain but abekho la bona main point yabiva iku World Cup. And the years was decided ukuthi baba siyangena ku tournament or kuyenzakalana. But amasoya kanje ngale squad mina bafita
bashintshe lesa squad.
But there's something that you need to pay attention to. Ama-friendly games as much as asinceda via ama-preps.
Yeah, good man.
But somehow somewhere nokuthi wabheka ama-friendly singaphefuma uma singena sibonakalise ukuthi yazini sayifuna lento. So do you think ukuthi South Africa uma top 16 satholakala?
Hayi mina
ngeke. Ala ngicamba manga ngeke.
Hayi angayimanga.
Hayi ngeke good man. 300 I mean I maybe.
Okay. Why did I
I'm it's not
because team selection. Do you think with the team selection labor is it the same team as obidlala ku World Cup?
Nope.
Never.
Yeah, then why nithangeke singena ku top 16?
That's why mina ngithi because because still ngiyazi basazolanda ama-player angeke afake i-impact.
Ayi for real.
Okay, naleli one-ke mina engingacama ukuthi belungayenza i-impact. Hhayi ukuthi ngiyacama ngiyazi. Why bangamlandi uLodge?
Angeke bamlande.
Khohlwa mfana.
Once indaba ngikhuluma.
Khuluma nje yami. Feel
But
free.
then Ivan Khoza mfethu yakhohlwa. Once you leave Pirates, it's rare ukuthi udlale ku squad.
So une-influence.
Ine-influence leyo ya. Fana no-Teko. Ava ku Pirates. Azange saphinda sambona esquadini. So
yazi bathashe enye into lo.
so like honestly Khoza une-influence ebias.
No, like mfana bathashe it something. Why it's not like the nyaureni? Ivan Khoza le Dr. Mtaung.
They too
Sele
much.
kili kingpin.
Are they too much?
And I know now that they're
That's
actually
all
raising
together.
this, it is possible.
Izinja kakhulu. nje.
But then again, kune story sokuthi uLodge the reason why he's not playing. Wadelela uHugo.
Nah.
Okay, nami ngicava lezo Goodman ukuthi
I know wena ngizile
Ama-fighting
lento le
yani.
maka noma bashintsha noma uHugo uresign no
Shap shap.
after the World Cup
World Cup.
whatever. Noma wafika umunye coach Lodge angeke adlale guaranteed. I'm pretty sure ngeke adlale.
hayi wayebavalele umjitha manje.
Ivan Khoza once wami ku Pirates ischaye.
So because the influence.
Hayi ne-influence ebhale
So wena-
lithayelayo.
Ilokhuza input yakhe ila kakhulu ku Ivan Khoza.
Yeah.
So wena my guy indaba la ukuthi lokhuza uLodge
Mina mina into engicava yileyo
yeah.
ukuthi uLodge wa disrespect to coach yabo.
Yeah.
Mina I thought uLodge makungaphuma lokho bose uzodlala futhi le Ivan Khoza bengekho awe ngayo.
Because inswimbi bro.
So don't you think ukuthi Hugo Bros is
Mashela-
biased?
But he wouldn't be
Somehow,
biased to jeopardize
That's what he's doing because we
he career not besides the career
squad.
his squad like he wouldn't do that. Yeah. That's jeopardizing he can't.
But we still need Lodge.
We do need him, mara he doesn't have the power. And angicabanga Hugo Bruce angabamba i-grudge for Lodge ukuthi udelelile. Bygones can be bygones.
Hayi lo
Mara if it needs to help.
uyambona lo
Yeah,
yathanda
uyathema lela.
Phela khumbula ulathini ngombokazi.
iya ngifuna ukukhuluma
Yeah.
le kaMbokazi ubona ilwa
Yeah.
extra quick kanjani kuMbokazi.
You can't say le time aleli ngeke libambe grudge. Ngalento leyo yakhuluma phela there it was a bad and negative remark.
Yeah, it was
You
negative.
understand? It's a make it or break it type of a comment. You understand? So esikhathini esibaya intwana sethu ezakhula in a sense yokuthi izinto ezifana nalezi asabakhawathi umqondo.
Yeah.
Sebayaphusha. Yangithola. But then leya mina my take is this guy is biased.
Yeah.
That's my take.
Ungasho kanjani.
Vale indaba kaLodge.
Not Lodge only. Namanye ama-players wadinga lapha.
Yes, angekho
Okay, mina
esquadini,
ngizokhuluma-
bafethu.
kunanto engayikhuluma ngomdawu and ngizoyiphinda. Umdawu uplayer bafethu.
Yeah.
Ne? But manje bafethu is too casual.
Yeah.
Kunalento leyo ukuthi yazini akekho umuntu ozongi-challenge this is my position.
Ku-position
Yeah,
yakhe,
really true.
Understand?
Hayi, vale
Ulexile
lo
phela ukumkhetha kwethu samkhetha siyazi ukuthi uzodeliver. But now ngifila ngathi unonchalant in a way yokuthi manje lento lezo si-affecta in a long run. You might not see it now, but in a long run even ku-World Cup he might cost us.
ngicava ukuthi mani kule point olgezayo ne sorry for ukugana but bekumele ufake no Williams lapho.
True.
Yeah,
No,
Williams
right,
naye
Yeah,
so
it's
comfortable.
Ngicava kumele ufake no
comfortable.
Williams lapho.
Because abana competition and I don't understand okay why bangabiza ngoChina.
Into engisho ukuthi lo coach lo mfana uye wayenza lama coach
That's why
ukuthi abe
you're
kanje
biased.
sometimes.
Yeah, makes sense.
Because ukhuliso mfethu akusukuthi akana competition. Bakhona
Bakhona, yeah.
bakhona kulipitho. Why don't
Aliningi
you call those
uphethe
players?
competition nenuyiphethe iningi.
Yeah,
Ukhuliso
manje-
ndawo
Udawo.
hayi uPSL futhi okay angithi ufocus kakhulu kuPSL.
Yeah.
Hayi bhaya mvana
Yeah,
camera
ibhaya
back.
mfethu. And manje bangathula ukubheka ne. Ekuqaleni isquad beselectwa ngokuthi Sundowns angithi it has like upper hand. Khona manje Pirates head on. But still ama-player weLokhuzana Sundowns sawathiwa lapha and iLokhuzana I think neform yabo lokhu yehla slowly but surely.
Yeah.
Angeke ayibone because ayithi abathanda laba beSundowns.
Ngithembele kubo.
Awe Pirates.
Baya bafethi striker sethi mqobangani manje. Number 9, Foster.
Foster.
Hayi laba balo ya.
Mamela liyayihleva ntwana yami acava wayibheka ngiyazi abantu bazongiphikisa ne yeah iyakwazi ukuzipositiona ne
Yeah.
na off the ball uboyibheka ne na off the ball iyakwazi ukuzipositiona still futhi ntwana yami but yazini ntwana yami into emhluphayo ngayo futhi angazi
He's not clinical,
finishing
bro. He's not clinical.
La muntu
or angazi usuka acabangani mase kumele ayenze ama final decision mfethu.
EPL urelaxile kumnandi.
Mangababa
Uyapusha. Into enkenyayo.
Man, I still say Reyners over him.
Straight.
Okay, he is a good player. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me twisted. He is a good player.
Okay, mina ngicela ukubuza something.
Angithi mase sikhuluma nge-stats.
Yeah, asesambisa ama striker ayi-2.
Okay.
Angithi nithi okay, uMakgopa niyambala ngithi ukhona kunawo ama striker ayi-2.
Makgopa obvious, mele abe khona mfethu. Mele abe khona uMakgopa.
Overfoster.
Makgopa inkomo emamelayo, ne-discipline.
Ithe asikho strike esifana njengaye. Yes coach.
Niyantwana nama-player wathandayo, mina ngiyakutshela antwana leyo khona sebangabane bamkhulumeni nama-player wathandayo. Ivaka lelo.
Makgopa inkomo yethu ezosikorela uzosebenzela leya. Yasipana.
Yazi kunalento
Yasipana.
He's not a typical striker. I think he has the attributes ukuthi yabona masikhuluma nge-Pirates 3-in-1, 2-in-1.
Yeah.
He can play as a target man. He can still be mobile, and he can still draw a defender away from. Okay, phela ama-game welokhuza ne-Pirates aqondane nebhala. Because wenzani udonsi defender ukuthi agaye
impelele ya.
So izinto ezifana nalezi izinto ukuthi uyazibheka, you not only judging by ukuthi umjidi uyamisa umuntu uyathola ama-chance nani. uFoster mfethu, he's a good striker, but the thing is he's not clinical and udlala kuphi the toppest leagues e-Europe.
Number 1 EPL. Ulasiveze naye ukuthi vele.
That's why ngithi indaba naye makadlala ngathi akekho hungry for i-country yakhe.
Ngithola nje
abayenzela ama-fame. Manje ucoach wethu uzosaba ukumhambisa ngithi adonse omunye. Lanto
Angeke obvious.
Okay.
First DJ.
Ngapha ke sesibheka ama-striker ama-top goal scorer. Wayengahambanga ke. I know mfana uHobla mdala ntwana yazi abantu ntwana abafuna uHobla mfana ichart.
Experience nakhona.
Yeah, ne-experience iyadingeka ntwana. Yazi uHobla mfana angayenza something mfana. Ubheke leya.
Mfana ineqembu leya.
Uyaphefuma ngakhona. Uyayifuna i-collab.
And ngicela ubheke umndiba ukuthi udlala kanjani. Uthanda ukushaya ama-long ball futhi uthanda ukushaya ama-pass lawa wakhe. No same thing nakubani nakumndawo. Sidinga bobani aboHobla abantu abakwazi noku nangekhanda ngithola noma liza kuphi uyakwazi ukulicima kahle adlala okashaya yangithola but angeke ayibone lento le ngoba uthanda ama-player wakhe
Your team selection going to i-FIFA World Cup ungakhetha ubani? Sicala lapha
phambili athi sicale kubokhipha hayi okay Williams ngiyamthatha ne sharp Williams ngiyamthatha. Number 2 Sipho Chain.
Sharp.
Ngiyamthatha Sipho Chain. Okay, uzohamba uGos. But if uPeterson bekangekho ku-injury, amlabe ngimshiya mpintsha uGos. Ngithola ngihambisa uPeterson.
Why I'm sure Gos.
Bheka ne ithi ngitshele something.
Ngithasha ama-stats ngathi akayizwisisi le ama-stats. That's why ngithi waGos. Yeah, waGos.
Okay. Sometimes i-stats inemele usiyeke kancane.
Yabo.
Usipanise into eyenzeka current yangithola nendli sharp nokuba hungry kwe-play. I think mina uGos bamthathe kuzangene nano umthathele for le game le-Pirates. Ayasikhuluma le game le-Pirates badlala nalo. Ngizobuya lapho ke sichubeka nabantu bami. Bengakhiphe 23 ne.
Shaya 11.
Oh, sengishaya 11 yami ye-crowd. Hayi for now ke sharp Williams ngoba hayi.
Yes. Elabe khona.
Center back right center back ntare yami TLP ntare yami ngapha ngibheke ngizothi bani hayi ngilanda undamani ngidlalele kahle kule game isiphuma kulo ntwana right back ngizothi khulisa umndawo left back ngithi Mdimba emihleleni ntwana yazi ngizenzani ya ngizoba i6 yami izoba yi1 which is Umbatha 8 yami i6 yami kuzoba Mkwene 8 yami kuba Umbatha i10 ngiqala ngoRive mina ntwana yami ntwana ihlekwa leya right winger ntwana yami okay right winger simlahlele umremi okay simlahlela loka phapha kancane lapha ngari aku left winger athi sibheke yabona left winger left winger ngizobuya kuyo thingi strike hayi striker ntana ngiqala okay kulesi esikhona no or sami ngisijuzela
Okay.
Sakho obvious.
hayi sami ntwana mina ngiqala ngohobla and then i-left wing athi ngibheke bengizolanda unkota
Nkota.
ngilahlele ku-left wing.
Yeah, I think uNkotha bebazomkhetha. I think ngathi time lakhe lishonile or something. So
Oh yeah I think yeah alright uGotmani khona yeah I think alright uGotmani because khona enye video engiyibonile yakuma TikTok nyana vele bakhuluma ngayo unkota.
Enjoy umdanso le.
Alaye nje chebisa amarebien. Alaye cleva leyo.
Okay bali. Okay asithi ke ufaka 11 yakho. Singithi maybe ama substitution yana 5.
I5 Shikabala ngibheka ukukhipha abanemihle nini ngosapumbatha ngifake sithole ngiyamdawza yazi
Sithole.
ngingekhethe nomkhethe.
but unama moments wakhe ntana khona la nokusave anokusave mfana
Inkinga ku World Cup asidingi ma moments.
ayikhe ntwana yabona yazwa ngisho kanjalo because ama players sometimes this game ukunika something right next game mfethu uzokubuya sekabuya sekusele 20 minutes ukuthi kuphela igame
Honestly,
khana buya mfethu
honestly thina sinama player ka. Ngayibheka
hayi
like ama player.
macava ibhola ngapha hayi maningi baba bancintsha abantu baba
Maka standard sub.
Why uthi asinama play?
I feel like his standard sub was not to a certain level.
Is it because of the players or because of the
Coaching.
It's the coaching. I could say the coaching, yeah.
So the coaching is not
It's not ayikho.
but the most
Let's say
important
yabakhawasa so
yeah.
mabafika badlala namateam angada it's ngathi angazi.
Mina somehow uvila bekumele ngapha squadini. But because the coaching kweyikho la ku Chiefs into emkhawatha. Ma uyambona na ukuthi hayi
Yeah.
Adonso uvila lapha esquadini nangikhipha le ngifaka.
Kungenzeka something. Then
Coaching.
Indaba kunale clip le yabona le ngithumela lapha egroupini. Nale outlay be ikhuluma ezinye izinto lapha. It's the reason why vele lokho ama players okay ama player okay achieve ngeke zakhetho is because of this guy. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi this guy is biased.
yeah.
He's biased. You understand? Because there's not even one player. And it's like players
the coach
who
young
perform,
player.
you understand?
Yeah.
They perform, I know individually we cannot bash them because of
It's him.
you get what I'm saying. So bade lamboka kaci.
masapam bengithe banishika okay hayi ngizothi shika
Sithole awukho
usithole naye ngizombeka ebheni maybe ngingimfake phela ngibonke
Yeah.
ukuthi sithole ngizokhipha abantu center back hayi center back yamodifi be right angikhiphe umuntu ngikhipha la phambili ngithi osina police bakhipha unkota faka osina police and then nami bengizosithathela uvilakazi bafethu ngimise ku squad noma card ngiphumuza undamani ngifaka umakhadi Eden Makhadi
yazi mina Makhadi player la mali evana namadoubts amanye ngale ntwana
yazi why good man labantu adlala nabo emove
okusazomela khule futhi
yeah
right
sometimes like kuya ngespirit team unotice ama play Pirates from a changing room kuthanjani
Alizasho.
and then unotice our chief from a changing room kuthanjani yangithola
Chief boy. Chief boy is yeah.
okay keep us line up
Obvious, mina Williams keeper. Then same back line as him. Then the middle in. Ngizodinga umkwena. Ngizodinga ngaqala ngoShikabala ezi10.
yeah
Yabo, execute ngaye. Ngoba uGotman licaba idisk. Bese singibona ngafaka bani. So umkwena Shikabala ngifake ubani lentwana le. Ngathi Obas, is it Obas? Yeah. Ngafaka lentwana energy leyana. Then ewingeni obvious police. Mele ngimncenga ngaphakathi. Yeah, perform right now vele on form. Then striker sami ngifaka bani? South Africa na yazini. Singibona. Angancenga ngoRenas. Renas.
hayi umacala
Renas bese esayidini eshimrena yo.
Mremi mfana like
I am
he's a
really
good player,
stressed.
but I think if
Decision
player
making
second half,
sometimes.
player ifaka second half
Yeah.
ukuthi ikhalele le game
That's actually 2K.
Hey.
abothozihulela
Mnike i-chance mntwana. Makaleya.
but he's a good player
Yena ugrande.
Ngiyasho nje ngithi mase uyi-defender kumele ungamniki i-chance ngoba lo wathola i-chance hayi ntwana.
indaba yazo wayithi umremi second half umnandi uyakhumbula benjengoba besidlala i-AFCON unalaba bamfaka second half laqeda khona walidla ngo-left lapho wabona bathi offside umremi lamaplayer lawanjani ufaka alihalela igame because mama ngicala linokumsinda because namanje le game langazi i-Pirates bedlala nanje umbatha mga twice la kwamele agijime khona kagijimi yayibona lento ke
yabo umremi mfana mina I feel like yabo umremi angazi ngathi iplay elinjani ka like ungasho ukuthi leli lama second half okay sisibeke kanjalo ukuthi hayi lama second half
60 minutes nje ababalanda
mase bakhathela ngene
abalanda then ngizothi unkota vele manje unkota nawe useyawumfethu ufana uyasebala no
sesimfakela ne-experience amaplayer yabo uyohlangana namanye amaplayer wazi
nelukuzana team spirit
bese manga-substitute hayi muva ngeke ngisashintsha kumele balungise bona then emidleleni ngakhipha ubani ushikabala uhodi vele khipha ushikabala ngizothi urile bese ngizokhipha ubas ngizofaka ngambiza ucele if I had the chance Thabo ucele I'll call him then
disapprove
ala inja leya
hayi badala
current inkosi kumabuye inkingi inkosi lemganga
ushilo na ukuthi
i-team mfana ucele inja
nama I believe ukuthi
ucele iclever
mntwana mina ngifavor chief nawe yazi
sethi usayifuna ucele ngambiza mina
namhlanje ngiyanyiko futhi mangathi ngikhomondo ngaphandle
ibhodi yamakhosi
no check it ngaphandle sisasona favor
inkosi alvelimo
I'm dominant I'm dominant
so now ngithobani ucele nobani ngisengobani futhi ngishisa pay1
la mfethu 5 kibatla bathi by 5 kuphela nje
no mina ngibiza ngayike ngibiza 1 ngicele le shikabana or lirile kenyari le man then obviously nkota Dlamini Thakikeng emremi then striker saka Renas nka montsha lena ke kenye ke mango Grobler
yena go ba kusokuthi bafethu kaya nekesha
ncane Pirates then last sub I would ke mango then I'd call Titus Titus akene
the gents are
akene kwa police
hayi mina bengizombiza manje hayi ngibulale kayithuba
yinto esifuna njengoba sipulele makabulala
bulala phambili
umhlula leza phambili baphaphela iChiefs la
baye bafethu mina ngifuna ukuchava njengoba nishaya i-match so ezinibona nani riding ngicela ukubuya kubafana Adidas so do you have a vision like that ukuthi one day you might sponsor team yaku PSL or nifuna ukushaya nje imatch yamabhutshwa siphethe amahabi lapha sibe sigcokile or nifuna ukushaya imatch ukuthi our vision is to target teams sponsor basigamkomulo kube into
right
okay before iphendula is it drip or comfort?
It's more like comfort
both like okay bheka bengifuna ukumtshela lento leyo vele yabo njengoba ungena thina like okay qobe ngizophendula lapho
something ezinibona ukuthi no asakufani njengakudala ukuthi i-team yezigcoka ama-tracksuit nje yabona nokubona i-Pirates mayingena
I think sure
yabo mnandi so bengifuna ukwazi ukuthi i-vision yenu ivaya da or ngifuna ukushaya both or ngifuna ukutargeta vele sports kanjani.
Alright, thina ne-Hodmani ne-AT brand i-accommodate both ne because as sishilo sinane-team yabo but team yethu mostly play ama-tournament yabo sidlala ama-tournament asikatholi league yabo so le ukuthi somehow sizibone sponsor ama-team nathi singajabula ngokusponsor ngamanye but firstly sifuna ukuzibona thina ethu i-team yabona nayo ibe recognized yaziwe emozwe like i-brand yethu yaziwe yabo yeah I think ngayisho le ukuthi accommodate support.
So talking about your team, ngiyazwa lokho nithi team. So team yenu, is it a team njengoba usho ukuthi ama-tournament or you're looking for something in the long run ukuthi okay le team le we do see it playing ku-ABC Mtsipe, NFT or PSL possibly.
Asihlize nakho man. There was
You need to dream big, bro.
Yes.
And I believe
Izwa. Yacaba why
ukuthi le brand le njengoba uyishaya kanje. Awubhekanga ukuthi izophela la kasi kuphela.
yeah yacaba why man. Yabona leyo bengathi ngiyidream only if like ama player like ne lawo bengidlala ngawo no. Bega wa permanent weight yabo.
I get what you say.
Yeah, so like thina ama player sasenawo no yabo. Most of them bayaspana abanye banama team abadlala ku isikhathi sisitholayo maybe ama Saturday Sunday. Yeah. But during the week abakhona banokujima but siyapusha nama training session.
The reason why I'm asking this question, I understand ukuthi kunama commitments.
Jabava Stadium.
I understand ukuthi most ama players wena nama commitments, right? But now we're talking like future reference. Like future reference. Okay,
yeah.
Besides lento le, but do you see it happening?
Yeah, yeah, the purpose of the team ukuthini ufuna ukuyibona iyaphambili and it's obvious. Yeah, mina ngiyayidream lento le. Definitely ngiyayidream.
So you believe ukuthi it will come to fruition?
Izovimba ubani?
Danko.
Ubani uzoyivimba?
With God.
Yeah, asibeka phambili phela uNkulunkulu. Sayipusha lento.
Yeah, mina ngiyayibona mina izoyenzeka.
Amayenzeke imbafu.
Izoyenzeka.
Into wemfumo uyibuza.
So team mayudlala kuma tournament nisishayele ukuthi sibeke ku-pod yabo.
Ayinaflop. Because sizo host the tournament so maybe actually, I'm not sure about the month but soon sizo host the tournament.
Yeah,
this year or
yeah, this year.
Yeah, this year.
Because this the tournament being
be March ni
yeah.
Ni 7. My 7.
Yeah, being 7
weekend.
March. Yeah.
Weekend.
Yeah,
Sishele Chabab.
was it top 4, top 8?
Look top 4.
Top 4.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Chuta mochita yapusha mos.
Yeah, you can. Maybe kasi top 4.
Kasi top 4.
Yeah, there's just
So injalo kasi top 4.
Yeah, ama tournament wethu kuzoba makasi nje. Kasi top 4, top 8, top 16.
So kahle nje si aligned kahle yabo. So wethu shibobo kasi.
Kahle nje.
Understand? So
Mina
mina
man besinalo last week nalo host ama tournament. So lona lethi lona likhulume ngezinye imali. Mina ngabukela lapha episode ya last week. Lasho ukuthi i-giveaway bokuyimali.
I think at first it was eqaleni mabaqala I think it was 50.
Oh,
50.
Yeah, 50.
Then
So
Washaya lapho nama tournament akho kodwa man.
uplome Orlando.
affiliation.
Okay.
Uthe it was for free ni?
Well, I'm not sure about
I
that.
think uthe uqala it was for free.
Because umjito ucabana nama player like professional
Aba
players.
professional soccer players
You
like
understand?
Yini tournament yakhe ngiyayazi.
King Legacy
Orlando League.
I think ngiyayazi nginokuyibona ama post akhona kuma Facebook.
Orlando
I think ngiyawacaba. Yeah, ngama December. Oh yeah, ngiyayazi.
So mina
Yeah, noma tournament kumele siwathola.
Wentlomile erumini nimbomboza nani what actually inspired? I think you just vele nahlangana nje.
Yeah, just a conversation, a random
what
conversation.
inspired? What sparked the conversation? What sparked? Because there might be something ukuthi vele spark wabona something what has an issue.
Maybe I'll tell you to skip this name or should teach me ngangithanda. I'll tell you.
Azokhudbani kunjani lento le. Fede mina no Hlodla yabo dala sihlala sonke le but angeke kusho ukuthi besihlala like C2 yabo. Bengazi ukuthi yena naye somehow bekafuna ukuba ne brand yabo. But mina on my side bengisafunda eMorris bekhona ibrand egas which is Art Peace.
Okay,
Yeah, and Art Peace abanikazi bakhona nyabacavo E2 yabo sometimes benginokusho ngithi hey nami sometimes one day I like ngathi ngaba neyami brand yabo.
Ngoba beyibhuma yo.
Yeah, yangithola Art Peace beyiphusha abangithi hayi nami ngathi ngaba neyami brand yabo. But lento leyo ngayilalisa cause ingqondo yami ne beyingekho dabi la bengisafocus ebholeni full time 100% besangicabanga ibhola lapho. And then ngakantawuthi yami ke masinokuhlala yabo sake sakhuluma ngebrain ngitsho
Kulalekile kahle.
lapha
That's always the case.
yeah straight
Flow manje
Straight.
sisibuka. Singeke sikhuluma izinto eziconstructive.
hayi ndevele mfana
Bathini
ungayikhuluma
thoughts agreements words.
avele ungayikhuluma mfana makayisha ungayi
Intoxicated and
sinanekile.
wayivoka something that.
Hey,
Ngathi umlilo.
uma cala manje mtshothi hayi on wathi hayi mina vele bengine drawing bengiyibekile kimi yabo hayi makayilethe mangibheka mina mangithumela ku out yami ngithi ucabangani ngalento le yangitshela ukuthi awungayenza into kanje nakanje sathi sico sibonise example makasenzele yabo sayibona ilogo current ilogo sayenzela usamana yabo but ya draft awuhloni.
This thing is nice bro. Ngibona ngathi into efinal.
Hayi kanje le ikanje
Yeah, sengisho ukuthi le ngibona lo luphi ngathi
yeah, ngathi into
Oh.
final.
iyo vele.
No, it's an arrow there.
error le yeah
The last
nala
Continuation.
And the last
Yeah.
time what I saw was I think lento yabo dokotela le.
Yeah, that's the logo.
ilogo ke le
Ilogo
main
le.
ilogo ke le
Okay.
So the concept behind it will be to it's therapeutic way. When you wear it, you're comfortable. You feel like grand, like in
So kahle kahle isitwade sikenza ukuthi
like oh
as much now mangithi ngimamela music ngivele ngibe.
yeah, ube
Alright.
yeah. Therapeutic.
it's a PT
Hey, it was hard for me to pronounce it. Because vele ngifunde ngihlukanise ngihlanganise ukuthi like what's happening here. Bengathi manje ngidlala uma chess or solve Rubik's cube. Like I was just a bit lost. Which team between the two, Sandawana and Pirates? Actually, I see ukuthi league it's open, ne? But yeah, man pegile ibetha tha.
Hey,
kudependa ku Chiefs ukuthi ivuma
Ngicela ungiphendule.
Sikia
Nami basho kanjani?
asikia sikithi but
Sikithi straight.
sana boyithu and remember iphakathi ishayeka buhlungu ayikasivumi manje
Hayi Pirates izo.
no
Hayi.
Ngiyivuma.
hayi mina
Angeke sivumi.
amakayi mina league ngizoyigaya Pirates this season
This is it.
Okay, guy Pirates. When I choose.
Oh. Yes. Ay, ngathi sometimes uzophinda futhi la.
yeah
Ngathi ba ungathi ngeke. This is opinion.
Ngaphinda futhi.
Hayi sebaqedile ukudlala boyithu ngithi Pirates and Sundowns. Sebaqela kwaqedile ama game wabo. So ukuthi sekusepresse
It's a walk in the park. Yeah, it's up to us as a cause.
Because sometimes beyidla i-Pirates yinto ezoyenza ukuthi if Pirates beyidlile sometimes
Yabo, bezoba
yonke into le ngabe sikhuluma ukuthi yo ngoba ngawina 3 games nyana
sebayithathi yeah
Manje.
You have insights. Kuzomela nje uthola istudio nyana somewhere la. Yeah. By the way, into bengifuna ukuyibuza ukuthi like what challenges are you facing in regards to getting the units, finding your clients, loyal clients by the way.
okay sometimes things transport abo or special transport
Yeah.
because thina sa travel amasenza into zethu
Nizenza ba?
i-stock khona la sesilanda khona and then ukuyoprinta khona isi-string spanner nalo from eJozi yabo
Okay, so yonke into it's based on lectures.
Yeah, you could see that.
stock asistock like
Stock is
eJozi
just
Nase kuyatsho
Langlaagte.
ke golele kasi.
Yeah.
So ke yona ntse le shapang ngata.
yeah
So ke yona ntse tsa
transport.
go le ska ba le
prof
clients.
yeah or
abakhona ama-loyal clients bakayabaleka few
Babolekiswa yini? Is there something that you're doing wrong or
thingithi ekasi yabo angazi ukuthi yini errong esiyenzayo ekasi yabo
And abantu they are not yet exposed to e-brand. That's what we're trying to do. It's abantu bazi ukuthi
besides
there's a
ichomi.
brand, a therapeutic and stuff. Yeah.
okay?
it's the marketing structure. I gotta be strong
So
enough.
let's say ke mina ke ule chem bana sekasi funa leskipa lesithola kuphi kuma social media platform.
wonke
Sithini?
attire PT _ Soweto ne product
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Yeah, so it's a
Everywhere.
product.
La kuthinda.
Hayi it's either
What you said everywhere. So Ukulu was now kuthinda.
So la Instagram, TikTok.
TikTok is a new page, really.
Yeah, TikTok
Just
page
started
is
recently. Yeah, started recently.
And then Facebook.
Facebook was the main pages.
Okay, I have a question.
It's no WhatsApp channel foot.
Alright, let's invite you in that school. That's the WhatsApp channel, by the way.
What? That's
So is
exchange.
it Nike, Adidas, Umbro, okay, Diadora, or local brands?
For me.
Honest.
And also looking at their designs, every last boy.
Ngihamba ngebrand yami mina.
And like a one.
Mina ngihamba ngebrand yami sengiyabafaka laba ngiyabasupport akufani. Mara ngihamba nebrand yami
Nice. Stay
Sorry.
true to
all the way.
yourself.
Is it a trick question?
It is
I
a
thought
tricky
you could
one,
next.
but I
Trick
want your
question.
honest. I want your honest answer. As honest as you
I'd say Nike, but then obviously my brand.
I'd say Nike, but my
My
brain.
brand.
So which is which?
My brand.
Your brand.
Yeah.
Stay true to
Not
the
convincing. Not convincing. Okay, gents. What would you say to Indwana that looks up to you guys at Kasi in terms of motivating and inspiring them?
Believe in yourself, yabo. Khohle into ezikhuluma abanye abantu. Invite uNkulunkulu empilweni yakho.
Number one.
And then mawuceda uku-invite uNkulunkulu usebenzise inkani yakho. Not le nkani strong ke nixabanisa nabantu. Yeah, usebenzise inkani yakho nje. But yonke into mawufaka uNkulunkulu nje yavaya yabo. Unganaka ama-comments abantu ukuthi bathini yabo. Yeah.
Yeah, mama, noma ufaka isipani njengoba ushilo, noma ufaka isipani, you cannot just rely on uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu unceda abasincedayo.
Yeah, unceda abazincedana.
Wena bale lami?
Mina ngasitshela ukuthi if you have a goal, go for it though, despite anything. Vele uyenze. Ungacabanga ukuthi umama uzothi ubani. It's not abantu abangaphandle abazokubhayizisa. Nasendlini bazokubhayizisa bathi hayi lento le ungayenzi.
Discourage man.
Yabo. Wena yenza into mayibona ukuthi right for wena. Uzobona phambili ukuthi iyasebenza okayisebenzi. Mangabe ikusebenzeli ucabange futhi replan, go again.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Part of the team that side. Wena sisters team.
Mina ngithi, if it makes you happy, then it does not have to make sense to abanye abantu. As long as when I stay true to yourself, uzazi ukuthi ufunani, then you'll be good.
But it clock it.
Yeah, clock it.
Move with the times, mama. You left behind. Okay. You left behind. It's okay. Okay, if you were to describe your brand in one word, what would it be? One word.
Authentic.
Yeah, authentic. Yeah.
I asked Bungen give
Yeah.
One last question.
Okay.
One last question, Bafethu. Nele nginibuze before nivale. Football of the season ubani?
Ah, this is.
Nangu ufuna ukuzithatha kukanmani. Rawuqala ngapha ufuna ukuza wena
Ababheke
madoda.
wena.
Ufuna ukuza
Ababheke
wena.
wena. Qala isifo.
Ufuna ukuza wena. Okay, football of the season.
Yeah, the season. PSA. Who's your football of the season?
And bafethu siyeni ngama-stats, siyeni ngangi-performance.
Ndabona PSL ayibukile.
Akayithoma kayifitha.
Right, so
Akivithi kayinana eh. Wena uyithoma uyifethi.
Cocomelon. Ayinona kuya
President Dama2K.
president leya.
Yeah.
Yeah, but for me it's debatable. Yeah, it can be him, but when I go with it, hamba namaphoyisa bro.
Yeah.
That nigga is performing, bro.
It's
But aware ukuthi no sebeyamazi ukuthi udlala kanjani. Even nale country besodlala nawo ubonile ukuthi beyimark.
No, the thing is you cannot, if we bhekile game from la cala khona, apolisi ungaka mfethu. Amabhola phezulu ayaphi. Labantu
kumele
bane.
bamphase enyawo.
Inkinga
Roll the
yikuma-middle
ball.
fielder ke mikumele akhulume nama-middle fielder wakhe but no khona ama-moments abamnike iy'nyaweni
Yeah.
khona la bekathi uvalile ne
Uyasifunela lo muntu.
ufuna ukushaya futhi bayamazi ukuthi same thing nakumremi uwabheka ama-wing e-Pirates ukuthi ayenzani
Amara mfana wathi kuyabona ne unanithu bayibitsang hustling. dimano hasela phela apolisi unokubona ukuthi makangadlali yabona umre makangadlali
And
uyama lapho uyambona like kuyaqhimeka apolisi uyayilanda
and apolisi ngathi ukwazi ukudlala ne-10 yazi.
bra
Yeah,
yabona
yakhona.
apolisi
Unokungena naphakathi.
apolisi okay I'm not bashing urile ne mina ngithi apolisi mabangambeka ku10
Ngabona
ungabona
umhlolo yeah.
because lo muntu lo khona ucollect
I never,
ibhola no
man, Biggie.
listen we're not bashing uRhili.
Experience wise.
We just say because you check. I wish mangabe sinama clip. You check the way umjita a collect ibhola ngakhona, the way athena ngakhona la in the middle of the park. The way a transition amaka phambili.
Key sharp,
Like the thing that is dangerous.
creativity.
Creativity.
Correct.
It's no longer. It's
not about creativity anymore.
Like akekho vese. Yangithola.
Then number 10 ifuna bani?
Ifuna
Plain
umuntu creative,
creative.
but ifuna nomuntu onenkani.
Yeah.
Unenkani. Yangithola. Urile is creative. Marinkana kanani.
Yeah, we
Ali
are.
akanayo lapho.
Yeah.
Mara ngeke.
Wenzakala.
Akanankani. Yazi ngone uyabona inkingi sasomntwana.
But uyeza lo muntu lo.
Ufunani?
Uyeza lo
Ufuna
muntu
lebantu
Khotman.
abadala ngana.
Bayenzana abantu abadala.
Age yakhe.
Awunamntwana moli. Okay sheba. Okay. He is coming. Look.
Hey.
Okay bafethu. Asibeni realistic. Abantu masinga e-Europe no 19 year, 16, 17 year they performing ukudlula uRhili. You understand? That's what I'm trying to show you something. Ukuthi uRhili mfana they need to like basipane ngayo kakhulu because uRhili when it comes to the physique and everything.
Debatable what you're saying.
Yeah, it is
That's
debatable.
really at the age of 17 umise Europe amjinisa lasibona ukuthi yeka sikhulu.
Equality yangane.
Yeah. Straight.
Yayibona ukuthi
Oh, but yeah, hence I said it is.
Makathisa.
That is why ngihlali mina ngithi uyamali uNtswembu ne uNtswembu
Yeah.
no doubt ne mara emzansi sinabo uyamali abayi20.
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask you this question.
hayi baningi
Let me ask you
vele.
this question. uRhili makadlala Pirates kwenzakalani? He's fire.
Yeah.
It's hot.
He's on fire. But makaza ku-squad he's on and off.
Why?
Because-
Uzikhweshuna why?
Why? Mina sengibuza wena ke angithi uthi.
Mina yazi why. I'm a player. And
You
besides I'm a
cannot-
player.
You cannot,
Okay.
you cannot always put it on other players. When I ask yourself, like
Ngakho-
mawuhlangabezana nesituation
It's a huge stage. It's a huge
Wenzani?
stage. Like,
Mara no awufuna
Akho,
police
there's a
same
stage,
thing.
yeah.
No sina police
Yabona,
same thing.
exactly.
Ku Pirates ushisa kabuhlungu
as
kabi.
much as uthi no
Makafika
police is the same
ku-squad.
thing. So kusho ukuthi mina nasivumelana nga something ukuthi kunento kwamele bayenze kuyo.
Ba improve yabo
Exactly.
ithu.
So yeah. Siyavala ngale ndlela.
Ubani umdala usina police no Rhili.
Da police ugrot.
police khoti.
Hayi ndoto police ubona
Uphuma.
Abo ngokutshela ngathi abantu ukuvula ngamazinyo. Uzosola so frontline call.
Ngeke.
Soba nereason yokugcoka imask.
Angeke.
Covid indlulile bafethu. Very bafethu yabonga ukuthi vakashela ama-outfits. Content ema social media platforms therapeutic.
It's therapeutic.
Mina said therapeutic.
Attire PT.
Yeah.
So it's a product.
But it is
Therapeutic, so it's a product on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.
Sibe siyavala kanjalo ke bafethu size 10. Wala.
Ayina stress Khotman.
Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and comment down there below. Usitshela ukuthi unicabangani ngalento le besikhuluma ngayo vandag. Udissect nathi yayithola lento le. Thank you. Travis.
Yeah, bafethu subscribe shiwo make bafethu say